The Earth Day 2020. The theme of the Earth Day 2020 is climate action. As you know that our world is not a good condition now. You believe it that coronavirus is one of the way this world to restore environment. How many people stay at home and stop work and work from home now? How many industry reduce operation hours and the other hand reduce pollution too? But we hope that ends soon. The earth is more than just a home, it's a living system and we are a part of it. James Lovelock. Gaia hypothesis as a complex entity involving the earth, biosphere, atmosphere, ocean and soil, the totality constituting of feedback our cybernetic system which seek a optimal physical and chemical environment for life on this planet. The Gaia hypothesis is for those who like to work or simply stand and stare, to wonder about the earth and life is to bear, they speculate about the consequences of our own presence here. Every time I see the mountain or take a walk by a stream, I know that creation is not here just for us to take care of. I feel creation is here to awaken or replenish our faith. The ancient masters were careful, observed the natural world and knew that the mountain, river, rain, cloud, weather, fire are all living entities that process consequences. They observe the delicate balance of ecosystem and the long-lasting effect all of aspects of life when the equilibrium disturbed. They learn to commune with the nature and cooperate with her plan. Earth Day started as a way to raise awareness of environmental protection. People have come to know that Earth Day stands for doing right by the environmental and going green. Sweet paper, positive tie-in, reusable bags, and custom reusable bags. Kate Blackmore 1997 says 7 principles. The first, we need to develop a concept of sufficiency or enoughness. Second, we must recognize the inherent right of nature and nature system to survive intact. Third, we must limit human numbers to the true carrying capacity of the earth. 4. We must develop an economic system based on quality of exchange, not profit, as a traditionality defines. 5. The mass development. 5. We must develop an industrial process that maximize recycling and minimize stock-up of material. 6. We must develop an economic system that favor lifesustaining processing. 7. We must live consequently as to be aware of result of our collectiveness needs. On the Earth Day 2020, let's do something for the better world, whatever you can. This is my word, this is your word, this is our word. Save the world, let's fight for our future. Thank you.